Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you here. In this week's video, we will be testing outdoor dining products from Amazon. Like many young homeowners, I have a dream of having an outdoor garden oasis, and that would not be complete without a wonderful dining area. I want to have an amazing tablescape that is Pinterest worthy, where I can host family and friends. I don't want to just put some paper plates or disposable things out there. I want to have a beautiful patio dining set that I can use for any type of event that adds to the decor and is functional and lasts really well. So I hopped on Amazon to see what I could find. Now I know what you might be thinking. Amazon's just cheap stuff. It's all imported, da 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 da. Well, I tend to think of Amazon like thrifting. If you have a keen eye, if you can put some things together, maybe we can find something that works really well, has a high-end look, lasts, and of course, doesn't break the bank. So let's get into all these packages. Because this one is clear, we can see it through. I ordered some napkins on Amazon, some reusable ones that you can wash. My main criteria for these are they a pretty color and will they survive and without getting all torn up? So let's figure it out. They're not super soft, but they're not rough by any means. They definitely give a kind of durable outdoor feel. Of course, most of these items I wouldn't keep outside. I would just bring them out when I'm making the tablescape to host or to eat out there. And this looks nice. I was worried it was going to be kind of a weird color, but it's the perfect sage green, and we can hope that it goes with the rest of the things I bought. You might be saying, Christina, what on earth is this? Well, it's supposed to be like a cheesecloth tablecloth. I mostly got it as a table runner. And I wanted to see if I could do that for cheap. I think it was under $10 at the time I purchased it. And it adds like this ethereal look and it's super cheap. And honestly, if it gets ruined, it's so little that I'm pretty sure you could just figure it out or get another one. So totally a win. Okay, yeah, you can see that it's just a pretty sheer cloth. It's actually smells fine. It's very soft. And already we're having colors that are really complementary and go together. I think that's a win so far. 2 for 2. All right, we're getting into the items. I have no idea what order we're in. Of course, like everything, I will link it all down below and I'll give you my honest opinion. I'm not trying to recommend things that I don't personally like, so I will be very honest with you. Ooh. Okay, okie dokie. So there's 2 colors. There's a black gold ring. It's very beautiful. It has some nice texture, some almost like marbling look in it, and then a cream and white one. So I figured we could alternate these. It would add a little bit of character, but it would stay elegant. It has an interestingly fun rough edge too. Next up, some gold silverware. Once again, I didn't want reusable. I thought gold was kind of cute. Is it a little trendy? Yes, but at the same time, I feel like gold is timeless, you guys. Everyone needs to get over it. Whoa, they're like individually wrapped in plastic. That's probably not good for the environment, but it's kind of classy. It does say stainless steel on the back. So if we trust it, that's awesome. Nice. This. I love this set. It's really cute. It actually comes with bigger spoons and forks too. All right, no tablescape is ready without any beautiful centerpiece. And for me, that's always a floral arrangement, but I wanted a vase to put them in. It can't be too tall because if you're sitting across from someone, you don't want to have it blocking you, but you still want some visual interest. So this is a short little vase. Hopefully it's cute. Gosh, I can't get it out. Okay, packaging ranks 100%. That was not gonna break in there. Honestly, it's cute. It's a nice size. You could have some flowers here. Like imagine some flowers. I could still see you if you were across the table from me, but it's rustic, it's beautiful. It doesn't have anything. I think I chose the brown color if you have an option. It's really sweet. I love things that are fun size. This is great. We're getting close. Start with these. Tapered candles, 10 inches. Whoa. Check it out, check it out. Oh. My friends, I love it. I might be getting too confident, but everything's been a win so far. So either that means I'm great at Amazon or I'm foreshadowing something being awful later. We're gonna have to find out. For the record, I try to do the Amazon Day thing, so they always put all the packages like together, and for some reason I still get a million of them. So Jeff Bezos, if you're watching this, we could do bigger packages with more things in them with less individual parcels. It's easier to open. Hopefully it's less material. You do your thing. Anyway. Oh my gosh. Don't try this at home, friends. Dinner plate set. Now, the real question is, will these come off cheap? You want something that dishwasher safe, microwave safe, BPA free. I need to double check if these are. But ultimately, as well as all of that, are they going to look tacky? I took a risk. I didn't want to spend a lot. We're about to find out. They are textured salad and dinner plates. They look a little bit thin. Let's see if they actually are. They're definitely thin, to say the least. Even if they are all the things I mentioned earlier, I wonder how well they would last over time. But from a distance, they're quite cute. I like the little extra texture and they're playful. And if you had kids or anything, you wouldn't have to worry about them like breaking these. They're not porcelain or ceramic. Like this isn't gonna be a problem. It might fade or scratch, but I don't think it'll break or be a health hazard. Well, famous last words. Okay, so in theory, each table setting kind of has this. Does it look like a seashell? Yes. Do I like seashells? Also yes, so we're good. On to the big one. Okay, first things first. These are some charger plates. Actually, I think these are technically, yeah, I think these are placemats. They smell weird, but they're very flat. Look at that. It's so flat. On this episode of buying way too many things and potentially angering everyone around me. Just kidding. Oh boy. All right, these I believe are kind of a dupe. I saw some last time I was walking through Pottery Barn. Oh gosh, so many steps. Oh, it's really nice, you guys. It's so cute. It's kind of like a translucent olive color. Let's see if they all came out intact. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love these 4, 5, and 6. Oh no, you guys, come on. That looks so good. That is so cute. I'm not mad about that at all. Sage and olive green officially go together. Don't trust anyone who says otherwise. How could you get tired of opening Amazon packages? It's like presents. Anytime something's delivered to you, it could basically be Christmas. In my normal fashion of being a maximalist, I got 2 sets of placemats. This is pretty. This is pretty. Oh my gosh, it's thin. But look how cute, you guys. It's so pretty. It's floral. It's a little antique. It's a little vintage. I mean, come on, you guys. Like, we couldn't have planned this better. I'm feeling good about this. Okay, second to last big package. Ooh. The main tablecloth. Did I order the right size? The world may never know until we set the table. Does it smell good? We're about to find out. It doesn't smell bad. Normally these type of things smell chemically. Ooh. It actually it smells like it was washed. Win. That's a win. Oh, it's really nice. Look at that. It's definitely sage. Did I go with a green theme? Yes. Yes, I did. Why? 1, it goes with nature. Leaves are green. 2, I love green. It's calming and it's beautiful. And 3, it'll make the food pop out really nicely. So I think it's awesome. And it gives some character without being too crazy. And that's kind of like exactly what I'm going for. Last package. I think I know what this is. So it should be our candle holders, or our hurricane candle holders. I think that's what you call them. I think they go like this. Da-na-na-na. I love it. All right, before I make the tablescape and see if we accomplished my goal, I need to show you how many packages I have, and yeah, I have a lot of boxes to tear apart, so be right back. Okay, my friends, when I said I had a lot of packages to tear apart, I was not lying. So much Amazon, so much boxes. All right, now that we've unboxed everything, it's time to set this table. All right, you guys, apart from being outside in the blistering heat and getting a little bit maybe sunburn, I'm not sure, this was an absolute win. There is not one product that I regret or I didn't like. I would 100% recommend all of these, so I will link them in the description below. I will say, if you were trying to do this for something very elegant, I would use every single one of these pieces. If it was like a garden wedding or a birthday party or graduation, I think it's fantastic. The only thing that I would change would be I'd probably upgrade the plates, but for everyday use, they are fantastic and I'm very happy to add them into our collection. So if you enjoyed this video, I would so appreciate if you could give it a big like, comment what you loved, what you hated, I want to know it all, and please subscribe to this channel. It really helps me keep making wonderful videos for you just like this. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.